This is just a quick video to give you a helpful tip if you've got one of these Baumatic washing machines and it won't drain and keeps giving you error codes. So hopefully you've already discovered the lint filter that is located within the bowl, and you empty that out every few loads or so. But actually there's another filter at the rear of the machine which perhaps is documented in the user's manual, but this washing machine was already here when I moved in. And the first time it blocked up, I pulled the washing machine to pieces before I eventually found that there was a filter, and it can be quite easily accessed when you know where to look. So this additional filter is located at the rear of the machine, down the bottom, and it's this black filter here. So in essence, if your machine isn't draining properly, you just need to unscrew this, and it might be full of bobby pins or lint or what have you. And once you clean that filter out, then hopefully the error codes will be gone and your machine will start working again.